PMs don't realize this, but your weekly status report is the biggest opportunity to build strategic visibility, but most of them waste it. Let me show you how to flip yours into a leadership spotlight. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, PM career coach, mentor, and visibility strategist. I help project and program managers reframe their narrative, build strategic visibility, and take control of their careers in the room, online, and on paper. Here's the mistake most PMs make. Most status reports are just data dumps. We're 80% complete, red risk on integration, blockers in QA. That's tactical. It tells me tasks, but not why it matters. Leaders don't care about your task list. They care about business outcomes. Now, here's how to fix it. Start tying every status point to business context. Now there's a simple formula to follow to change your task reporting to impact reporting. Here's the formula. Metric to business impact to strategic context. Your metric is your number. Your impact is what does it mean for outcomes? And your context, why do leaders care? That's what turns a status report into a leadership story. For example, we're 80% complete, which keeps us on track for Q4 revenue launch projected to add $15 million ARR. Or our integration risk could delay compliance certification, which would push partner onboarding into next quarter. Now you're not just reporting progress, you're showing impact. And here's your pro tip for today. Add forward-looking insight. Don't just say what's happening. Say what it means and what decisions are needed. That's what separates a PM who manages from a PM who leads. So here's your challenge. This week, rewrite your status update with business outcomes and context. Because visibility isn't about noise. It's about clarity that leaders can act on. And that's where influence happens. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more strategies to turn your day-to-day PM work into leadership visibility. See you next time.